Good morning everyone, my name is AISYAH HANINA, and today I'm going to talk about rainforest plants in Sarawak that help the world. Sarawak have many plants that can help medical and health. One of them is BIIC, also called the Madam tree. This plant grows in Sarawak's highlands forest. The oil from its fruit has a natural chemical called citrials that kill bacteria, and it's used in natural oil and soaps because it can kill bacteria and fungi. The oil from its fruit is citral, which help clean the skin and stop infection. It also smells fresh and citrus. People like the lemon like scent, so it's good for a body care product. The Penang people are indigenous in Sarawak. To Sarawak, they have lived in a forest for a long time and know the forest very well. Scientists work with them to find healing plants and discover new medicines. This is Kashif Fatima, a traditional plant used for women's health. It helps with the period pains, energy, and hormones balance. It can be found in Malaysian rainforests, like in Borneo Highlands and around Kapit, Sarawak. It may give energy and help hormones because it has natural compounds like phytoestrogen, which act like a hormone estrogen in woman's body. And last but not least, some rare plants from Sarawak, like in Mono National Park, are being tested in labs. This may help get new medicine for cancer because they have natural chemicals that can stop cancer cells from growing. Scientists are studying them carefully since around 280 to find natural, safer treatment for cancer. This is show how important the rainforest in Sarawak is not just for environment, but for health around the world. And that's all for me. Thank you for listening.